Yo, what up, gang? What's happening? Waubee Lake. Here it is. It's Wednesday. It's dive day, and we're gonna find a GoPro today. We gotta speak it into existence. We're gonna locate that thing. Hopefully, get some good vids, see some good fish, and we find some cool stuff down here. Like, subscribe. Have a great day. Well, my gosh, that visibility was absolutely terrible. Couldn't see nothing out there. Managed to get a little bit of trash, golf ball, and a couple cans. But man, Waubee, you weren't it. And once again, the GoPro eludes us. Looks like Shriner next week. Hey, have a great day, gang.